Bienvenidos a nuestro canal. Woo! So do you guys have any foods, tastes, or overseas trip that you can never forget? Well, for me, I have a few of those things. And today, I'm gonna share a Mexican food. Let's get started! Woo! Why am I getting red?
2019, I went to San Antonio, Texas as an exchange student. After the semester, thanks to my friend Pamela, I stayed at her house in Mexico for about a week.
Based on Pamela's recipe, we're going to cook enchiladas. Enchilada is a corn tortilla rolled around a filling and covered with a savory sauce. Originating in Mexico, enchiladas are a common dish in Mexican cuisine. Enough with explanations. Vamos! So you'll need chicken, tomatoes, tortillas, cheese, chili powders, garlic, dried pepper, onion, chives, and sour cream.
So for the stuffing, we have to boil the chicken first. Put some water on the stove and add half of onion and 1 teaspoon of garlic. When the water starts to boil, add the chicken. Here we got the leg part of the meat for that soft texture. Once all the ingredients are thoroughly cooked, set them aside for good 5 minutes. And when you're ready, break the chickens and shred however you want.
Now moving on to the sauce. Boil 4 to 6 tomatoes until they are soft. Then it's ready to peel off the skin. Add these to the blender along with the onion and garlic from earlier. And add some salt and pepper and chili. Here we're putting a lot of spices to emulate that authentic Mexicanness. Once everything is blended nice and creamy, put the sauce on the stove for about 20 to 25 minutes until the color changes into this.
Finally, let's make some tortillas. Put the crumbled chicken in and fold it. Add some sauce on top of it. And if you like, add sour cream and sprinkle some cheese on the top.
Now for platanos maduros fritos. Cut bananas into pieces. Pull out the pan and put some cooking oil. Then cook the bananas until golden. Move them onto a dish, and this is the fun part. Add sugar and lechera all over your fritos. And ta-da! Our enchilada and platanos maduros fritos.
Finally,
We're ready to eat. We're so ready to eat.
It's like super big. Wow! Cheers! Finally, after 3 hours.
Yeah.
Is this right? Do you think this is right?
아니, it tastes good.
It tastes good.
But I don't think this is enchilada.
I tried like twice enchiladas. I think the color. We got the color. Yeah, we got the color. Okay. I followed Pamela's recipe, but I don't know why it turned out this way. Yeah. She will leave a comment. To Pamela. Thanks for your recipe. Yeah, thanks for your recipe.
I think we failed.
I think that was the best food I can remember.
Oh, from Mexico?
Yeah, except the dessert, because the best dessert was churro. They call it churro.
Churro.
Yeah. Pamela and her mom like told me you should try churro. Okay, I'm so full, but I'll try. And then, like, it was like this small. It's not that big. It's only this small, and then it had like chocolate inside the churros. So good. Like, as I had a bite, I said like, okay, no split, no splitting. I'm gonna have like whole thing. This was so good. I think this is a really healthy food.
Yeah, it's much healthier. It tastes
Yeah.
really healthy. It only has tomatoes, chicken, onion, garlic, and that's about it. So I feel like it's really healthy. Okay, I'll try the dessert.
Why are you laughing?
It's like impossible not to taste good.
This tastes exactly the same.
Oh really?
Yeah. Anyways,
Anyway.
like I want to introduce some of the things here. This one is a short letter from Pamela, and then this one is a present from grandfather.
They really loved you.
Gracias.
What is that shirt?
Oh, that one. That one is also a present from Martin.
Martin?
Martin is also my friend who I met in the exchange student program. Yeah.
Okay. We're done?
I'm done. It was a nice try.
So how was it?
How was it? How was the food that I recommended? My Mexican food.
I'll just say one thing. Just invite me to Mexico. No, but we really enjoyed the process.
We enjoyed the process, and it was a good chance for me to remind the great memories of Mexico. And I really miss you guys.
Muchas gracias for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.